In the heart of the bustling mini chef's academy, Chef Beary Blossom, the spirited leader, bunny baker, panda patissier, kitty cooks, and squirrel sous chef were buzzing with excitement. Today's adventure promised to be filled with flowery fun and sugary surprises. Bunny Baker's Baking Adventure Extravaganza. "Hello, my little chefs!" Bunny Baker, donned in a flour-dusted apron, greeted the eager team. "Today, we're diving into the magical world of baking. Are you ready for a baking adventure extravaganza?" The mini chefs, with aprons tied snugly around their waists, cheered in unison. The kitchen transformed into a colourful canvas of ingredients, ready to be turned into delightful baked creations. Let's start by exploring the rainbow of colours in our baking pantry. Can you tell me the colours you see? Bunny Baker pointed to vibrant balls of flour, sugar, and sprinkles. "Red, yellow, blue, and green," the mini chef's chorus said, their eyes wide with excitement. Bunny Baker, with a twirl of her whisk, turned the baking table into a dazzling display of colours. "Now, let's count the ingredients. 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 3 scoops of flour." As the mini chefs engaged in a delightful counting game, Bunny Baker set the stage for the baking adventure. Today, we're not just baking. We're exploring different textures in our baked goods. Who can tell me what textures we might find? "Soft, crunchy, and gooey," the mini chefs chimed in, their faces beaming with anticipation. Bunny Baker, with her ears perked up, led the young chefs through a whirlwind of baking activities. They mixed and stirred, kneaded and rolled, creating a symphony of textures in the kitchen. The aroma of fresh cookies, muffins, and cupcakes filled the air. But just as the baking adventure reached its peak, a sudden challenge emerged. The oven stopped working. The mini chefs, undeterred, gathered around Bunny Baker, ready to face the challenge head-on. "This is our baking adventure challenge, my little bakers. Can we find a way to bake our delicious treats without the oven?" Bunny Baker asked, her whisk turning into a magical wand. The mini chefs, brimming with creativity, suggested using a stovetop, a toaster, and even the sun. Bunny Baker, with a twinkle in her eye, turned the challenge into a playful exploration of alternative baking methods. The kitchen turned into a lively dance of pots, pans, and unconventional baking techniques. In the end, the mini chefs triumphantly presented their baked masterpieces. Bunny Baker, with a proud smile, praised their resourcefulness and ability to turn challenges into opportunities. The baking adventure extravaganza had not only taught them about colours, numbers, and textures, but also unveiled the joy of creative problem-solving and teamwork. As the mini chefs savoured their delectable creations, Bunny Baker announced, "Every challenge is a chance for a new adventure. What baking adventure shall we embark on next, my little bakers?" And so, with hearts full of accomplishment and aprons ready for more flowery escapades, the mini chefs eagerly awaited the next adventure in the lively kitchen of the Mini Chef's Academy. In the heart of the bustling Mini Chef's Academy, Chef Beary Blossom and her lively team, Bunny Baker, Panda Patissier, Kitty Cooks, and Squirrel Sous Chef, were gearing up for a grand baking event. The aroma of sweet treats filled the air as the young chefs donned their aprons adorned with vibrant shapes. "Bakers, are you ready to whisk up a storm?" Chef Beary Blossom exclaimed, her excitement contagious. The mini chefs, with their colourful whisks in hand, chirped in unison. "Yes, Chef Beary." As Bunny Baker twirled in delight, her whisk went flying and, to everyone's surprise, crashed into a cascade of utensils, accidentally breaking all the whisks. "Oh no! What do we do now?" gasped Kitty Cooks. Chef Beary, with a twinkle in her eye, rallied the young chefs. "Fear not, my culinary companions. This is an opportunity for us to discover new ways to mix and blend. Let's turn this fiasco into a fun adventure." The mini-chefs, undeterred by the broken whisks, surveyed the kitchen for alternative tools. Panda Patissier grabbed a spoon, Kitty Cooks found a spatula, Squirrel Sous Chef located a ladle, and Bunny Baker, ever the resilient spirit, grabbed an egg beater. With their makeshift whisks in hand, the mini-chefs set out to create their delectable delights. The kitchen transformed into a whirl of activity, as laughter filled the air and ingredients danced in colourful harmony. As Bunny Baker beat her batter with the egg beater, she twirled around, creating a whimsical pattern of swirls. Panda Patissier used the spoon to stir gently, creating a velvety texture. Kitty Cooks, with the spatula, flipped ingredients with finesse, while Squirrel Sous Chef, using the ladle, added a sprinkle of creativity. Chef Beary Blossom, witnessing the inventive chaos, couldn't help but smile. "My dear mini-chefs, you've turned a baking fiasco into a whisk-a-whirl wonder. Each of your treats is a masterpiece of resourcefulness." As the baking event unfolded, the mini-chefs marveled at their unique creations. The event turned into a whimsical display of textures, colours, and flavours that captivated the taste buds. When the time came to present their treats, Bunny Baker, with her egg beater creation, proudly declared, "This is the Whisk-a-Whirl delight." Chef Beary, acknowledging the ingenuity of her young chefs, exclaimed, "You've not only baked delicious treats, but also learned that challenges can lead to surprising and wonderful outcomes. Sometimes the best recipes come from unexpected twists." The mini-chefs, beaming with pride, tasted each other's creations, celebrating their resourcefulness and teamwork. In the lively kitchen of the Mini-Chefs Academy, every challenge became an opportunity for growth, creativity, and a lot of laughter. And so, with aprons tied and lessons learned, Chef Beary and her team eagerly awaited the next adventure in their culinary journey.